I want to tell you about Flaticon.com, which is one of my favorite websites. I go here because I can download free icons and images to use in my work. It's very easy to sign up for using your Google account, so when you create an account, just use your Google account and then you won't have to worry about remembering your password. When you get to the site, search for what you're looking for up at the top. If I was in the library looking for book icons, I might choose this one. So from this page, I can choose a file type, PNG or SVG, and remember SVG is what the Cricut uses. I can add it to a collection so I can decide later, or I can just copy it to my clipboard. If I choose to download it, I can choose a size here, and I tend to choose the large size because it's always easier to squish it down than it is to try to blow it up. Blowing up a little teeny tiny picture gets pixelated. The other thing that I like to do is click on the edit icon because then I can change the color of the icon. So since this is one color, there's only one thing to change. I can click here and drag my dot, or I can just put in a hex color code right there. Once I'm happy with the new color, I can just click download. Choose my file size or file type and file size. And then it saves to my downloads. One thing to note is that when you do use things from Flaticon, it provides you with information for attribution so that you can give credit where credit is due. Sometimes you can choose icons that are multicolored. So for example, this one. If I click the edit icon, these are the different colors that I can change. So if I want to change it from a green book to a different color, I would select green and then I could change it here. I have to change the swatch that I'm working on before I can move the colors around. The other thing to note is that any image that has a little crown is going to be one that requires you to have a pro account and will cost you money, so avoid those either by just ignoring the crowns or by searching for free.